Hey everyone! Want to import WooCommerce coupons in bulk? Today, we'll show you how to do it easily using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Whether you're running seasonal discounts or exclusive promo codes, this method will save you time and effort. Let's get started. Before we import the coupons, let's take a quick look at the CSV file format. Here's our sample WooCommerce coupon CSV file. It contains the following key columns. Coupon_code, the unique name for each coupon, for example, Thanksgiving deal, new launch. Description, a short description of the coupon. Coupon_status, the status of the coupon, example, publish means it's active. Discount_type, fixed discount or percentage discount. Coupon_amount, the value of the discount. Individual_use, if set to yes, the coupon can't be used with other coupons. Expiry_date, the date the coupon expires. Product_IDs, IDs of products this coupon applies to. You can separate multiple product IDs with commas. Exclude_product_IDs, IDs of products excluded from this coupon. Usage_limit, maximum times this coupon can be used. Usage_limit_per_user, number of times a single user can use the coupon. Limit_usage_to_x_items, limits the discount to a specific number of items in the cart. Free_shipping, if yes, applying the coupon also grants free shipping. Exclude_sale_items, if yes, the coupon won't apply to items already on sale. Product_categories, add categories IDs that qualify for this discount. Customer_email, add your customer email here. This will restrict the coupon to that specific email address, if any. Okay, we have our import file ready. Now let's move on to the actual import process. To begin the import process, visit the WordPress dashboard and navigate to WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Next, start to upload the prepared import file. I am uploading it from desktop. So I click on the Browse button to locate and select the CSV file from my computer that contains all coupon details. Choose the Fresh Import to import new entries and select WooCommerce coupons as the post type from drop-down. The plugin will automatically detect the post type based on your uploaded import file. Click Continue. Next, you'll need to map the fields from your CSV file to WooCommerce coupon fields. Make sure to map all the field header you've added in your import file. Once everything is mapped correctly, click Continue and run the import. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. It's time to check if everything was successfully added. Go to WooCommerce coupons, and you'll see that all the coupons from your CSV file have been added successfully. Now, customers can use these imported coupons while purchasing any product. And that's it. You've now learned how to import multiple WooCommerce coupons using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. This method saves you time and effort, especially if you run a large store with multiple coupon codes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.